Hello, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically, I'm going to be fixing my nails, and I'm going to be jumping right straight into it. So, here is my nails. I've taken off the previous one and I'm trying to buffer and clean it up. So, quick background story, yeah. So, a baby girl wanted to be a baby girl and fix her nails like a baby girl. And then I was checking through the stores and everywhere else where I could fix my nails, but the prices were so alarming. Okay, they weren't extraordinarily expensive, but they were just alarming. Anyway, so I'm like, these people need to be fearing God. Like, are you serious? So that's how I turned myself into DIY nail fixer. But yeah, it's been going good. It's been going great. So I'm just going to show you what I do to prepare my nails before fixing them. So first things first, get a bowl, water, and then you put one cover of apple cider vinegar in it and soak for 15 minutes. Now the apple cider, what it does is to strengthen my nails. So if you have really brittle nails, then this is a good way to strengthen it. Okay, so we're done with that, and next I'm gonna be putting some olive oil onto my nails, and you can use any other essential oil that you have, perhaps coconut oil or whatnot. This also helps to strengthen the nails and improve nail flexibility. So jumping right into the next thing, I'm using a nail base, and this further helps to protect the base of my nails basically, so that the glue doesn't go directly to my nails. And of course, here is the nails that I will be fixing. I got this from shop Adefunke, but they are temporarily under construction. Else I'll have dropped the link below. So after applying the base coat, you want to push your cuticle back a little bit. There's a cuticle pusher that I'm using at the moment. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So you just push it back a little bit. And because your nails are already soft and moist, you don't really have a problem. So I have gone off camera to finish arranging the nails that I require, and I already started fixing them, but I'm just going to show you with a few other fingernails what I actually do. So first thing is that I apply the glue. I use the brush on glue because this is quite easy for me to handle and less messy. I don't know for other people. So you apply the glue to your nails, and then you just fix the specific nail on it and hold it down. That's all you have to do. Hold it down for about three minutes or 2 minutes, depending on how firmly you want it. Of course, glues differ, so the strength of the glue also differs. But this brush on one works, and I've already shown you the one that I use. It's from Elegant Touch or something like that. So anyway, you just continue doing the same thing to every other fingernails. Apply the glue and then put the nail on it, and there you go. See me now, like a baby girl. See the nail so set. Don't let me scratch you. But this is too long for me, so I'm gonna cut it. Yeah. I know what you're thinking. It's not that long, but yeah, it's too long for me. So I'm cutting it with a nail cutter and then just filing it so that the shape stays, smooth and sweet and fresh. Well, arrow go. Shakara is plenty. So usually this lasts about 2 weeks, but if you go and do it in the stores, I'm pretty sure it lasts way longer, maybe a month. But I like to switch up my look, so this works for me. Also, I have this pin glue that I just used to do some finishing touches for the edges and stuff like that. So this is the final destination. Long, or you can have it short, any way you want it. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and until next time, laters.